Konnichiwa minasan. In this video, we will be looking at the S sounds of the Hiragana alphabet. There we go, S sounds. And I quite like this one because I do quite like the pictures. So let's have a look. Sa. This shows a man or a person that is surfing. And in Japanese, you say surfing with a Japanese accent. So you actually say surfing. Surfing. Hai, surfing. So if you remember the man on his surfboard, you'll remember sa. She has long hair. Look at that beautiful long auburn hair with that flick. She. Swimming. So again, in Japanese, it would be swimming. They like their vowels, right? Swimming. Hai. So you think about the surface of the water and then someone doing a beautiful dive into it. Se, a sailboat or sailboat. And you've got obviously the mast area and then the boat's actual surface. And then the last one is so, for sewing, zigzag. Now you write it as sewing, but you pronounce it as sewing. So is when you're sewing a zigzag. See how it looks like a zigzag? You're sewing a zigzag. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Now to write it down. Surfing. The arms, the person's body, and their surfboard. The arms, the person's body, and their surfboard. She, do you remember what that stands for? She has long hair. The long hair with the flick. The long hair with the flick. Swimming. Hai. Surface of the water and the beautiful dive in. The surface of the water and the beautiful dive in. Se, sailboat. Se. You've got the boat's structure for the mast, and then you have the surface of the boat. Again, you've got the boat's mast structure, and then you have the surface of the boat. That was pretty ugly. Let me do it again. Slightly better. And lastly, so. And again, sewing like a zigzag. So we've got one zigzag and a little curve. One zigzag and a little curve. Awesome. Well, that is the S alphabet or the S words in Hiragana. 終わりです。That's the end.